Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2015 Honda Accord LX, stock number E1409P. 41,000 miles on this Accord. Hematite green metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. The Accord's a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5, cloth interior, very clean. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. The body is free of dents or dings. This LX has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Large, easy to read gauge. 1,000 miles. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, large display screen for radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and CD player. Dual zone automatic temperature control. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect media devices. Automatic transmission. And lots of storage space in the armrest. Along with a large under the hood. This Accord has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 185 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a mid-size sedan. EPA average of 27 miles to the gallon and the city average of 36 on the highway. And ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Accord, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.